Now let's answer this 10 items PEMDAS quiz. If you haven't answered them yet, solve them first before you will see our solutions. Ito number 1, lumabas yan sa civil service exam. So, you can pause every item para isolve nyo muna. Before natin ito sagutan ng bongga, let's review the order of operation. Go to album of this group at dito mo makikita ang mga references including textbook ng grade 4, grade 5, and grade 6 na ginagamit natin. Kung mali ang sagot nyo, iwasan nyo po i-claim na yan ang tinuturo ng school nyo. It is either hindi kayo nakikinig ni teacher or di kayo nagbabasa sa sarili nyong libro. Naalala nyo lang yung acronym at hindi yung rule sa likod ng acronym na ito. What is order of operation? To eliminate this confusion, we have some rules of precedence established at least sa nabasa ko, 1500s pa to, called the order of operations. The operations are itong multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, itong mga exponentials, at saka yung groupings. The order of these operations states which operations take precedence. So a common technique for remembering the order of operation is the abbreviation that we are using it called PEMDAS or GEMDAS or BEDMAS, BIDMAS, BODMAS, or whichever country you came from, mga acronym, kung ano mga acronym ang ginagamit nyo, same pa rin ang rule. And these are the order of operations. Dito, parenthesis. First, do any operations inside the parenthesis. Exponents. Ang next ay exponents. Then evaluate any exponents. Next is multiplication or division. Next, follow any multiplication and division instructions from left to right. Next is addition or subtraction. Finally, any addition and subtraction instructions from left to right. Ganon din dito. Step 1, yung parenthesis first, yung mga brackets or mga groupings. Step 2, yung mga powers exponents or mga cube roots, mga ganyan, mga square roots. Step 3, perform multiplication or division operations in order by reading the problem from left to right. Step 4, perform addition or subtraction operations in order by reading the problem from left to right. So, doon tayo sa dito mas klaro siya kung alin mauna sa multiplication or division at saka addition and subtraction. Dito tayo sa libro. Grade 5 na textbook. Rule 1. Simplify the operations inside the grouping symbols first. Grouping symbols are always done from the innermost set outward. Rule 2, evaluate exponential expressions. Rule 3, multiply and divide in the order they appear from left to right. Rule 4, add and subtract in the order they appear from left to right. Next, grade 6. The following is the order of operations. Number 1, compute the expression in parentheses first. 2. Evaluate exponents next. 3. Multiply or divide from left to right. 4. Add or subtract from left to right. Then, ito naman ay grade 4. Now, how about sa rule of exponent with negative base? At ito naman yung paliwanag sa negative base na may exponent. Ang source, ang reference dito ay purplemath.com. Negative 3, square, ay nasa loob ng parenthesis, tsaka siya in-squared. So, ang answer ay positive 9. Kapag ganito naman, negative 3, walang parenthesis, or kung pareho silang nasa loob lahat ng parenthesis, pareho lang yan. So, the answer is negative 9. Next. At ito naman sa coolmath.com, Si negative 5, nasa loob ng parenthesis, saka siya in-squared, tapos si negative 5 squared. Sabi nito, very different silang pareho. Very different sila, hindi sila pareho. Kasi ito, positive 25, samantalang ito ay negative 25. Ito ang paliwanag dito, pag negative 5 squared, mayroon siyang negative 1, itong 5 lang kasi ang in-squared niya. Kapag ito naman, ang dalawa, negative 5 times negative 5. Next, malinaw din dito. Tapos sa calculator naman, ang pagkakaiba, negative 9 in-squared, sa loob ng parenthesis, positive 81. At ito lang ang nagbibigay ng positive 81. The rest is negative 81. Number 1. Negative 2 squared, and that is negative 4. Minus. Nasa loob ng parenthesis si negative 4, tsaka siya in-squared, and that is positive 16. Minus. Itong negative 3 squared, and squared niya ay yung 3 lang, and that is negative 9. Plus, 15 na may exponent na 0, that is 1. Next. Ito, negative 16 lang yan. So, negative 4, negative 16, ito, positive 9. Negative times negative, and that is positive 9, plus 1. Sa PEMDAS rule, kung alin ang mauna, subtraction or addition, pareho lang sila. They rank equally. So, we can do this one first. Negative 4 minus 16, and that is negative 20. Plus 9 plus 1. At ito naman, si negative 20 plus 9, hindi sila magkapareho ng sign. So, we will do subtraction. Tapos, i-carry natin yung may pinakamalaking value, which is itong negative. So, 20 minus 9, and that is 11. Plus 1, negative 11 plus 1, and that is negative 10. So, ang answer dito ay negative 10, letter B. Let's double check using calculator. And the answer is negative 10. Dito naman tayo kay iPhone. Na scientific calculator ni iPhone. So, ang answer din niya ay negative 10. Number 2. Any number raised to 0 ay equals to 1. Kaso dito, ang naka-raise dito ay yung 48 lang at hindi kasali si negative. Kasi mayroon tayong rule sa mga negative base, rule of exponents sa mga negative base. So dito, ang answer dyan ay negative 1. Plus, si negative 12, parehong ni-raise ng 0. And the answer dyan ay positive 1. Plus, ito naman, remember, ang naka-raise lang dito ay yung 3 lang. So that is negative 9. So ang natira na lang ay subtraction at addition. They rank equally. So pareho lang sila. Unahin natin from left to right. Ito, 0 na yan. Negative 1 plus 1. 0 na yan. So the answer is negative 9, letter B. Double check natin sa calculator. Parenthesis negative 48 raised to 0. And the answer is negative 9. Number 3. Para hindi kayo malito, sulat muna natin itong PEMDAS. MDAS. Parenthesis first. Sa loob ng parenthesis or groupings, yung pinakaloob-looban muna ang unahin natin. So ito, equivalent nito ay negative 4. Kasi nasa loob yung squared niya or yung power niya. At ang in-squared lang niya ay yung 2 at hindi kasali si negative. Kaya, negative 4 ang sagot dyan. Plus, sa loob sa parenthesis. plus negative 3 ang in-squared niya, yung negative at saka yung 3, kaya positive 9 yan. So, i-bring down lang natin to lahat. 8 divided by 2 times 4 plus 10. Although pwede man natin ipagsabay, pero gagawin lang natin, isa-isahin lang natin para mas klaro. Next, parenthesis pa rin tayo. Negative 4 plus 9. Kasi hindi pareho ang sign, so mag-deduct tayo at i-carry natin yung may pinakamalaking number na sign, which is positive. So, this is positive 5. Or 5 lang, ilagay mo. Negative 4 plus 9 equals 5. 5 minus 8 divided by 2, division yan, times 4 plus 10. So, tapos na tayo sa exponent din. Now, multiplication or division, kung alin ang mauna sa kanila. Dito, ang nauna ay division kaysa multiplication. So, we will do division first. Kasi ang nasa rule, whichever come first from left to right, nauna si division. So, we will do division first. 8 divided by 2, and that is 4. 4 times 4, and that is 16. Bring down natin si 5. 5 minus 16 plus 10. Sa order of operation, next, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. Nauna si subtraction, so we will do subtraction first. 5 minus 16, and that is negative 11 plus 10. So, negative 11 plus 10, different signs, so mag-minus tayo. And the answer is negative 1, kasi kinakarry natin yung sign ng may mas malaking value. Negative 11 plus 10, and that is negative 1. And the answer is letter B. I-double check natin sa calculator. And the answer is negative 1. Number 4, isulat ulit natin itong acronym na PEMDAS. Pero ganito ang pagkasulat mo kasi 4-step lang naman ang PEMDAS. Walang parentheses, so proceed tayo. May exponent. Unahin natin si exponent. 9 squared is 81. Ngayon, division, tapos multiplication. Ang next sa rule is multiplication or division, whichever comes first. Ang dito nauna ay division bago ang multiplication from left to right. So, unahin natin si division. 81 divided by 3, and that is 27 times 5, and that is 135. So, letter B ang sagot. Another way is, si 9 squared, gawin mo siyang 3 to the 4th power divided by 3 para pareho sila ng base, times 5. So, 3 to the 4th power, ito naman ay may automatic na 1 ang exponent. Pag division, i-deduct mo lang siya. So, that means 4 minus 1 is 3. So, 3 to the 3rd power or 3 cubed na siya, times 5. So, exponent muna natin, 27 times 5, and that is 135. Letter B. Double check natin dito sa calculator. And the answer is 135. Number 5. 1/2 divided by 2 plus 3/4. So, mag-apply tayo ng division of fraction. Plus 3/4. So, sa PEMDAS, unahin muna natin yung division. Kasi division lang nandito, walang multiplication. So, 1/2 divided by 2, palikopyahin lang si 1/2. At saka si division maging multiplication. At reciprocal ni 2, which is 1/2. Plus 3/4. So, ito ay multiply natin numerator to numerator, and that is 1. Denominator to denominator, and that is 4. So, 1/4 plus 3/4, and that is 4/4. Kasi sa addition ng fraction, kopyahin lang yung denominator. Pareho lang naman sila ng denominator, so kopyahin siya. Ang i-add natin yung numerator, 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4/4 equals 1. So, the answer is letter B. Ngayon, i-double check natin sa calculator. So, the answer is 1. Number 6. 12 minus 2 plus 24 divided by 2 times 6. Ang mga operations na andito ay subtraction, addition, division, at saka multiplication. Sa rule ng PEMDAS, wala tayong parenthesis, wala tayong exponent, pero mayroon tayong multiplication and division at saka addition at subtraction. Isulat muna natin. Bali, i-rewrite natin. So, multiplication or division. Kung alin ang mauna from left to right. Nauna ang division, so unahin natin yan. 24 divided by 2, and that is 12. 12 times 6, and that is 72. Ibaba na lang natin to. That is 12 minus 2. So, ang natira na lang dito ay yung subtraction at saka addition. Sa rule, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. Nauna ang subtraction. So, unahin natin yan. 12 minus 2, and that is 10. 10 plus 72 equals 82. Letter B. I-double check ulit natin sa calculator. And the answer is 82. Number 7. 40 plus 30 minus 16 times 8 divided by 2. Walang P, walang E, pero mayroong multiplication or division. So, whichever comes first from left to right. Nauna ang multiplication kaysa division. So, we will do multiplication first. And this is 16 times 8, 128. 128 divided by 2, and that is 64. Tapos, i-bring down natin ito. Plus 40. So, dito ang operation ay addition at saka subtraction. Yun yung last na nasa rule. From left to right. Nauna ang addition. So, unahin natin yung addition. And this is 40 plus 30, 70, minus 64 equals 6. So, the answer is letter B. Double check ulit natin sa calculator. And the answer is 6. Number 8. 40 minus 30 plus 16 divided by 8 times 2. Walang parenthesis, wala ding exponent, so doon tayo sa multiplication or division, whichever comes first from left to right. Nauna ang division, so unahin natin si division. 16 divided by 8, and that is 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. So, i-bring down mo ulit itong 30 minus 40. Dito ang operation ay subtraction at saka addition. Sa last part, kung alin ang mauna, addition or subtraction from left to right. So, nauna ang subtraction. Unahin natin ang subtraction. 40 minus 30, and that is 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So, ang answer dito ay 14. Double check ulit natin sa calculator. And the answer is 14. Number 9, ang mga operations na andito ay subtraction, addition, at saka multiplication. PEMDAS ulit tayo. M or D, wala namang division, multiplication lang. So, unahin natin si multiplication. 3 times 2, that is 6. Mayroon pa isang multiplication, i-add natin. Kasi, i-bring down natin yung addition. 1 times 0 equals 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. Tapos, i-bring down natin si 9 minus 7 plus 6. I-rewrite lang natin. 9 minus 7 plus 6 plus 0. Next sa rule, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. Nauna ang subtraction, so unahin natin. 9 minus 7, and that is 2. 2 plus 6, and that is 8. 8 minus 0 equals 8. So, the answer is letter B. 8. I-double check natin sa calculator ulit. And the answer is 8. Number 10. Which of the following is true about PEMDAS? A. PEMDAS is the only accepted acronym for order of operation, while other acronyms for order operations has different rules. Wrong. Na-mention ko na marami siyang mga acronyms like GEMDAS also. Lahat ng mga acronyms ay pareho lang ang rule. B. Equations with more than 2 operations can be solved correctly without the use of PEMDAS, or also known as order operation. We should use PEMDAS para we come up with the same answer. So, mali ito. It should be with. C. The rule of PEMDAS is parenthesis first, then exponent, before we will proceed with multiplication, before division, then addition, and last is subtraction. That is why it is called PEMDAS. Mali din ito. Dapat parenthesis first, okay? Exponent next, or mga indiges. Next is multiplication or division, whichever comes first, from left to right. Next is addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, from left to right. So, mali ito. Letter D. PEMDAS is an acronym that has only 4 steps. Parenthesis, exponent, then either multiplication or division, whichever comes first, from left to right, then last, add or subtract, whichever comes first, from left to right. So, ang answer ay letter D. This is correct.